Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Viewing the Australian dollar has not been able to find its footing since last week's update from the neutral dovish RBA Governor Philip Lowe. While speaking at the National Press Club in Sydney last week, Governor Lowe said lower rates may be appropriate if unemployment rises and inflation stalls. And as you can see from the comments, the bears have continued to play the move and now takes out the level of 70.70. If we see further weakness into today, the immediate target is at 70.15.20 and the objective is around 69.40.60. I do assess from there that the markets will probably recover. Nevertheless, the bears are still holding the reins and therefore any advances should find a cap now around 71.05.25. Looking at the euro dollar, the bears continue to take the trade price lower. And as you can see, the market's now reached its target of 112.55.75 after posting a fresh 2019 low of 112.66. With the dollar index rallying to a peak of 96.90, is now close to its target of 97.40. As you can see from the technical point now, because we've reached the target of 112.55.75, I'm neutral and therefore squaring up my position because I think we've come quite a long way since the rejection of 115 and it's now time to reassess. Although that being said, the technicals are still bearish. We've got an ADX that is trending and a MACD that is still declining, but the RSI is somewhat oversold. So that's partly the reason why I'm squaring up just for the short term. Resistance at this stage is at 113.15. Well, the dollar yen has broken above that 110.2025 level, but no follow through was seen. It is assessed that further evidence today needs to be viewed to support this bullish break. Otherwise, a move sub 109.70 would reinstate the downside and look back towards the lower region of 109 to 108.45.55. The pound finds renewed bearish momentum overnight and reaches its descending triangle's measured move of 128.40.60 after posting a low of 128.44. It is also now assessed the time to reevaluate the situation, although the technicals like the euro are still bearish with an ADX trending and also the MACD declining, but we are oversold, so I'd rather keep to a neutral view just for the short term. On the day though, I see resistance at 129.05 and support at this stage at 128.40. Moving on to gold. Market took a challenge back to the downside overnight and posted a brief low around 1,303. It is assessed that as long as we maintain above 1,297 to 1,300, then I'm quite happy to view that the gold will eventually reach its target of 1,322 to 26. And rounding up with oil, it challenged another low to 51.48 overnight and still remains weak. I am still neutral and I still view the market eventually to recover, but at this stage it doesn't look so. And from the break of 53, I am neutral at this stage. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.